Is your Android phone slow? One setting can make it faster instantly. Most Android phones feel slow because of animations when you open apps or switch screens. It makes everything laggy and frustrating, and most users don't even know this exists. It's turned off by default on many phones. Today in this video, I will show you a simple trick that can speed up your Android in seconds. So let's get started. First of all, open settings on your phone. Then in the search bar, type remove animations. After that, tap on the remove animations in the search results. Now simply turn on the remove animations option. Once it's on, your phone will instantly feel faster and smoother. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.